Hey everybody, Mason Keyser, the Drone Man, coming back to you on the YouTube network. Well, as we all know, we're in a pandemic thing and some little bug is trying to kick our asses. But anyway, thank goodness, Amazon is still delivering. So anyway, as some of you know, in previous videos, I was talking about getting my ham radio license and so that I could use ham radio during my storm chasing. Well, we're doing that. There was a couple of videos that I posted on the Belpong UH5, I believe it was, walkie-talkie, and another mobile radio for your car. So today, Amazon, well, the mailman, but it's from Amazon. See the big smiley Amazon thing? So anyway, he dropped off some things, and so let's take a look at him right now. I may not need a brute force. Anyway, in the envelope, I'll put this up there for you to see. That is the end cable lightning arrestor surge protector for CB ham two-way radios, adapter UHF PL-259, male to female RF coaxial cable adapter. So that's that. All right. In the second big smiley Amazon box, we have RG8 X coax cable, 100 feet, PL-259 male-to-male connectors, heavy-duty indoor-outdoor, weatherproof jumper cables for CB ham radio, shortwave radio, HF, VHF, and UHF. And that is sealed, so we'll just open this up real quick. And as you can see, so there you go. And of course, it's just coax cable with male-to-male connectors. One to connect into the antenna, the other go into the suppressor. Then there's another one that goes from the lightning suppressor on down to the radio. So now, for the big item of the day, it's the Anytone FM transceiver. So this thing is heavy. The shipping weight on it's 4.4 pounds. So anyway, about this radio, it's the Anytone dual band transceiver, VHF, UHF, 18 5888 UV two-way amateur radio. And guess what, folks? This is currently unavailable. Amazon doesn't know when they're going to get it back or if they're going to get it back. And guess what? I got the last one. So it's currently unavailable, and Amazon doesn't know when or if they're going to get any more. This is a 50 watt, 40 watt, full dual band VHF, UHF mobile radio transceiver. It has a full twin display and receives crossband repeater mode 2. So in other words, it also has a repeater in it. Features CTCSS, DCS, ANI, DTMF, 2-tone, 5-tone, alphanumeric display, 758 channels and more. It transmits on 136 to 174 megahertz and 400 to 490 megahertz FM, and receives 200 to 260 megahertz to 350 to 490 megahertz, 108 to 180 megahertz AM selectable VHF receive frequencies for air band reception. So this will, you'll be able to receive aircraft and stuff like that. It is a narrow band, and it's complete with remote mountable face plate, lighted keyboard, mic, and lighted display, built-in speaker in both radio and the mic, built-in cooling fan, and more. Now we'll get in more about this radio, the Anytone dual band FM transceiver, and all of this other stuff when we do our other video of installing this and a whole bunch of other things. So stay tuned. With this pandemic, like I said, I was just going to get into ham radio for my storm chase and stuff. But now that this pandemic is happening, well, you just don't know. So like if your cell phone towers go out, you have no cell phones, no internet, none of that stuff. At least me, I still have, a CB, I have a Cobra 148 GTL, which is AM, which is CB, and then it also has upper and lower sideband. So when everything goes down, if it does, I'm not saying it will, so don't anybody panic, these things are going to come in handy. So what I'm going to have to do, even though I'm studying for my technician license, I'm going to try to be able to take my transmission, or my just stop it right there.